So new question is histology of kidney or internal structure of kidney, or we can say electron microscopic structure of the kidney, है ना. So when we take the transverse section of the kidney and observe it under electron microscope, then the electron microscopic study suggests that human kidney has two parts. The outer part is called as cortex and the inner part is called as medulla. So cortex is outer part while medulla is the inner part of the kidney according to the survey of electron microscopic study. He also suggested that on the inner part of the kidney there is a depression. That depression is called as hilum, and the hilum has broad funnel shaped structure. That broad funnel shaped structures are called as renal pelvis or renal pyramids. ये सब renal pyramids है ना. हिलम का बेस ब्रॉड होता है और वो ब्रॉड बेस के पास वहाँ पर फनेल शेप जैसे आइसक्रीम खाने के कोन के जैसे स्ट्रक्चर डेवलप हो जाते हैं. दैट स्ट्रक्चर्स आर कॉल्ड एज रीनाल पेल्विस और मेडुलरी पिरामिड. लेटर ऑन ये जो रीनाल पेल्विस होते हैं दे हैव ब्रश लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस आर देयर. उनके अंदर ऐसे ब्रश लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस दिख रहे हैं. These brush like projections are called as, they are called as what? Calyces or papillae. इसको हम papillae भी कहते हैं. Next one, medulla has conical structure called pyramid and the cortical part extend into the medullary pyramid as a column, and these columns are called as column of Bertini. So these are the column. These columns are called as column of Bertini. The inner part of the renal pyramid, they shows pointed structure. Brush-like borders are there. These brush-like borders are called as renal papilla, and these renal papillae are useful for the ultrafiltration of the urine. The electron microscopic study again suggests that it has 1 to 3 renal papillae, and these 1 to 3 renal papillae are projected into a cavity. That cavity are called as minor calyx. So this minor calyx later on undergoes union. इनका union होता, they get joined to one another, and finally there is formation of major calyces. The electron microscopic study suggests that the interstitial fluid of medulla has higher osmotic concentration, which is equal about the 1200 moles osmolarity per liter, due to the presence of higher quantity of two solutes are there, and the one solute is called as NaCl while the second solute is called as urea. So due to presence of NaCl and urea, the osmotic concentration of interstitial fluid of medullary region is found to be 1200 moles per osmolarity of the solution, and the entire picture is called as histology of the kidney.